What is a Google account and do I need one? You may already have a Google account, and if you do, that's great. Most people who have a Google account do so because of Gmail, Google's email service. It's also possible that you might have one from a school or a work account. To test if you have a Google account attached to your email address, you can enter your email address into the page at www.google.com/accounts/forgot password. See the link below. If you don't have an account, you'll see a red message that says, couldn't find your Google account, that looks like this. If the account does exist, it will take you to a screen where you can go through various processes to recover the password for that account. If you don't have one, or you'd like a new one, we need to start by going to accounts.google.com/sign-up. Again, the link's below.
Okay, let's create a Gmail address. We first need a first name and a last name and a username. I'm going to use the Tech Doctor Network. We need a password. For more information on passwords, see our upcoming episode on passwords in a few weeks. For now, it needs to contain at least 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. And then we click next. Chrome will offer to save the password for us. I'm just going to close that for now. Now we need a phone number for security reasons, a recovery email address, date of birth, gender. Now there is some information here on why they ask for that information, and it's basically just so that if we need to prove who we are at any stage, they've got those details to reference it against. Click next again. They're going to verify the phone number, so I will get a text in just a second. Enter the verification code. And verify so that they know it really is my phone number. I get the option to receive video calls and messages and make Google services including ads more relevant. I'm going to say yes. And we have to go through all of the privacy and terms, which are really important. Agree. And a new account is created. Now there's a whole bunch of information we can configure here, but most of what we want to do is done. For example, if we wanted to go to our email address, then the account's all ready and set up, and we can walk through the introduction.
At the Tech Doctor Network, our goal is to help you feel comfortable with your computer. We're here to guide you each step of the way so you can be comfortable with your technology and make the best use of it. We release new videos every weekend and would love you to subscribe. If you have a question or want to leave a comment, just pop it in the comments below. I'm here to be a resource for you. Thank you so much for watching.